Hey guys, this is just an update to the install of the unique off-road products, fender well, guards, air blockers. They're going to supply you with a bolt I've already installed that replaces this stock bolt. It's longer, and they're going to offer you a wing nut. So you no longer have to bend this back. You just install a wing nut. Just a couple tips here. You put this bolt down. Don't install this bolt yet. When you have it in place, you can reach behind here with your hand, and you can have a bolt behind here, and I'll show you pictures, that you can move in and out so that you have enough threads there. And this is much easier to install than having to use a pry bar on the original design. So all new fender well block-offs should include this wing nut washer, so it's a lot easier to install. Thanks.